Hello everyone, we are back with Glenn Velvet Reviews here, and we got this Teabloom teapot. I got this for my mom because she wants glass. I like glass cups too. I find they're easier to clean. They don't smell. They don't hold the smell like plastic does, which is annoying. So we usually have plastic, and stainless steel doesn't really look nice, so you're not gonna have stainless steel cups around. That's kind of weird. So this is what we got. It's a Teabloom Timeless. Oh, this feels very light, but I think glass is light and stronger now than what it was, 20 years ago, I think. I mean, we'll see. This had good reviews. Who knows? Stovetop safe, it says. So we are going to test that out on the stovetop. That's the kind of glass that it has. And this one's good for 40 ounces, which is all the way to the top. You're probably only going to fill this up with 30 ounces. 2 tea flowers included, whatever. It says it's handcrafted. This is the brewing instructions, so you guys have an idea. You can just pause that. This is all about the teapot. I don't know if you're going to pause and read that. And this is more about it with a 1-year warranty. You can pause that as well and see that. So let's open this up and see what's in the box. So this is the top right here. I mean, I guess hopefully the top is made out of glass. This is so light it feels like plastic. It is glass, but it feels like plastic. The thing is so light. Let's see. So this comes in like this. Feel like that is. It's like plastic, right? I thought it was plastic, but when I knock it, it is glass.
It does.
Right? Alright, so here's the diffuser on the top. What the hell? Oh, I got this. What the hell? How do we get that out? Do you just break it out? That's the, yeah, I think it's glass. Alright, this is the flowers that they give her. So she's gonna maybe try these. I doubt she's gonna try these flowers out for tea. This is probably just gonna go in the garbage, so don't ask me how this tastes because my mom's not gonna try it, and I'm not gonna try this tea either. But yeah, they do give you this tea, and that's the kind they give you. I don't know if you can see through the bag. That's the tea. I doubt you're gonna, So this is the diffuser. It has the little holes in the bottom so the tea doesn't come out and go inside your water. So here's this. There's nothing else in the box, so I'm going to get the box out of the way. Wow, that is very tiny, so I can't wait to see how this thing heats up. Look at the size of this compared to like that one. But we're going to only put 2 cups in it. I'm not going to put 40 ounces in here because the most we're ever going to put in here is what? Probably 3 cups, 4 cups. So you're probably only ever going to fill it up to here anyway. You know what I mean? But the thing is, we're probably going to have to use the smallest burner, right? Because look how small that is. If you use this one, the fire is going to go up to here. So literally, you can only use, sorry. You can only use, you can throw it on the floor. You can only use this little one, right? Look. So think about it. We can probably only use this little tiny burner. Okay, so that's it for the unboxing review. We will be back. I'm going to fill that up with 2 cups of water. We're going to fill the old teapot with 2 cups of water. And we're going to time how long each one takes to boil and see if that one's quicker with the same amount. But we're going to do it with the same BTU on the same burner with the same exact knob setting, so everything's fair. This just has more surface area, so I think it's going to heat up quicker, but we're not going to have it on high. So technically they should be even because medium at 5 or 6, the ring is only this big, which is the same size as the bottom as that. So, alright, so we'll be back, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Bye-bye.